You know that I work in the plastic industry for more than 20 years. So in 2017, we started a joint venture with the Yizumi group, and I started on a rental basis. A small plant I hired in say in Ahmedabad only. Okay. It is in Moraya on Rajkot highway. So then after 2 years, we hired another factory, another 30,000 square meter. So 30,000 square feet.
Again a lease one.
Again a lease one.
Okay.
So then the business is growing well. So the management has committed a huge investment. So we invested around 150 crore to make this plant. No, in 2020.
Okay. In 2020, you took up this land?
Yeah, we took up this land through Gujarat government support, and then in 2 years we built this factory.
Okay. And like what was the investment like initially made into this? 150 crore?
Yeah, around 150 crore.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Like how many? What is the capacity of it?
So the area of the land is around 23 acre. That is 85,000 square meter. And in that we build already 20,000 square meter first phase. The second phase we will bring all the manufacturing activities. All the manufacturing activities in the second phase. So we intend to build around 6 lakh square feet.
Okay.
So at this moment is 2 lakh square feet.
Currently you are assembling here or what you are?
Currently we are assembling and partially we are manufacturing. So the fourth bay you can see all the sheet metal work, powder coating. So all the fabrication work and starting manufacturing the frames also internally. And the next phase will be bringing the machining.
And by when actually start manufacturing?
Maybe no. Now we are 50% sourcing India and 50% coming from outside. So maybe it depends how we grow fast. How the investment climate is working. So my dream is to bring 1,000 crore company in at least the next 5 years.
Like for example, like in the first year, like how many machines that you are planning to actually sell? What are your targets?
Yeah. In this machine we will 100 machines per month. That means around 1,000 above 1,000 machines, 80 to 100 machines per month.
Okay. Yeah. So your target is.
Yes.
Okay. And what will be the like turnover kind of a thing like?
At this moment we are touching around 200 crores. This year by December we may touch around 200 crores. Yeah.
And this plant caters to only India market or like?
At this moment it is only for the Indian market because the local demand is so high. Okay. So we done some sample export to US, couple of machines. But the idea is in future to support the all the Far East Asian countries, neighboring countries, also to the African countries.
Could you just tell me what is your relationship with Yizumi? Is it a kind of a joint venture?
It is a joint venture. I am one of the investors in the company.
Okay. So what is your company and what is Yizumi's relationship like, for example? What is that?
We are the investors, that's all. It's a joint venture.
It's a
Joint venture.
Between, what is the name
Myself. Myself and Yizumi group.
Okay, it's a joint.
Yes, a joint venture.
And what is the relationship with this American company?
See, basically HPM is the oldest injection molding manufacturer in US. Yizumi has acquired the company in 2011. So we bought entire company with intellectual properties, and we embraced their technologies because they are pioneer in die casting and two platen machines. And still we have a factory in US. So we are R&D people. The American engineers are working for the engineering design. So
currently
it is owned by the HPM. The American company is now owned by Yizumi Group.
Okay, like Yizumi is like how many apart from India?
No, we have global operations. So we have around 4 factories in China and manufacturing factory in US and India. Okay. And we have our R&D India, 3 countries, and R&D centers in Germany, Brazil, and we have a separate innovation center also in China.
Okay. So what are the reasons like why China actually investing into India and what are the reasons for that?
I mean, it's a business. There is a huge demand because what my partners have told me, India is 10 years or before how the China was. Okay, so now we may having now 6 to 7,000 machines per annum, but there is a potential in 10 years it can grow 3 times. Okay, they foresee this opportunity. And they don't want to just simply make an agency and sell the machines, because as I explained to you, when we want to come with a firm, our setup, our local service. So that is the reason we grown so fast. Okay, so we set up local all over India. We made a network, trained the people, service, and very example is bringing the technology from US and Europe. Basically, our R&D center, process R&D center in Germany, and the engineering center in US. So bringing this, so it is a typical company where German, American, and Chinese working. So that's why we could able to bring a lot of new technologies and excellent quality.
Yeah.
And
Coming on to technologies, like, is there any new technology?
yes, we have introduced the new fifth generation servo, and we proved in many customer places is the lowest energy consumption. Okay, in some of the customer places we measured 0.3 unit per kilowatt. That is the very lowest energy consumption. And also we now in this new plant we just introduced all electric machines, the fully electric machines. And also we have two platen machine, which is very unique machines for saves and power, and we have a lot of patents inside the two platen machine. All this patent technology we brought in here. And also now we just launched a multicolor injection molding machine to make like a rear lamp or toothbrushes, different colors.
So is there any detail that I can get?
Yes, I can give you the detail later.
Okay. And like as you have said earlier, that India is one of the growing.
Yes, fastest growing market.
As you,
For Yizumi group also, this is the highest revenue overseas is India for the whole Yizumi group.
like for example, what is the turnover of Yizumi?
Yizumi is around 1 billion RMB.
Okay.
So let's say around 9,000 crores.
Okay. For like what is the share of India revenue?
So 200 crores, I said, almost 3 to 4%.
3 to 4%. So what is the plan?
I mean
like,
3 to 4%.
like is it
I mean it's if I reach 1,000 crore, and I mean it may be we may be contributing 20-25% to them.
okay. So you can say that India is one of the fastest growing.
One of the fastest growing. Yes, for the Yizumi Global.
Okay. And as you have said that you are like this market is for primarily for India right now.
Yeah.
But later on it will start serving other.
Yes.
So your export targets are like when
I mean, not yet to target. We, as I told you, we just done some sample export to US during the COVID time, and we are getting a couple of inquiries from African country. Sooner or later, we start exporting. So at this moment, there is no big target to export, because the local demand itself.
15-20%.
No,
in future.
in future maybe around 20%.
But when the exports will start?
It may start tomorrow also. It depends on how I get the order and also the customer. At this moment, we are very busy with India. We already have a lot of backlog.
Like how much is the backlog?
So we already have more than 250 machines backlog to be delivered within 2-3 months. Okay, so because we also lost some time because of transferring the plant, so we have to now clear up all the backup. So once the Indian demand we met, then the next demand, because if I cannot able to deliver the machine locally, how I can able to deliver the machine to the export market? So the target is first to fulfill my aim is to keep 100 machines in stock and to sell. So that was my target.
So these machines are having applications in which of the sectors?
Most of our customer is automotive industries and home appliances like refrigerator and TV and everything. Some medical industries.
Like,
Okay.
Like out of these,
I have 50% automotive industries,
50%.
30% around consumer product, home appliances and everything, and another 20% to the rest of the industries, technical industries and everything. Yeah.
So if please give me any one the new line, like few details, like any new product that you are launching in India.
So as I told you, two platen we are launched. The two platen is very successful.
Injection molding, the colored one that you are planning to launch.
That is multicolor machine,
Yes.
but this is actually an excellent technology what we introduced, two platen machines. Okay, the two platen machine saves a lot of space and also a low energy consumption, and Yizumi has their own patents in terms of
Machine is expected.
the bigger one, the 900 ton one, in the other side, the bigger one. So that is going very well in the market, because now, in fact, I can say no competitor for us from India for that kind of machines. No one makes such a two platen machines with this sort of technology. No one makes here.
And from here, the clamping force, like from which to which?
From here, we are going to manufacture up to 2,400 ton. But Yizumi
Starting
from 60 ton.
16.
60 from 60 ton up to 2,400 ton, we are going to assemble our manufacture here. But Yizumi made the biggest machine in the world, 8,500 tons. This is the biggest machine in the world.
Is there any plan to further like go up from 2,500 plus?
No, I don't think so.
The
Because
market
market is very limited, and we need a lot of the expertise for that kind of things.
Just one few observation on the Indian plastic industry, how it is growing and all that.
We are doing. See, yeah, we are doing fantastically, and the customers are supporting us. And since we are bringing in a lot of new technology with energy saving, our main thing is energy saving. Trust me, we supplied 1,500 machines, and hardly 0.2 or 0.3% in last 5 years we received a complaint. So such a high reliable machine. That's what you have seen so many customers with 50 machines, 20 machine, 30 machine, and we don't find any difficulty growing at least 20% every year.
Any few like your big customers like.
One of the big customer is United Industries. They are the exclusive supplier for Kia Motors, and they already bought the equipment worth 50 crore, and they have been discussing a new project for another 20 crores. Also the VTK Industries from Chennai. There is a company in Delhi, Premier Auto Plastics. Also one of the biggest manufacturer of IML ice cream containers and food containers, cap cones, Mr. Dugal Saab. They also place order for around 20 machines. Okay, so there are so many customers. Ronch Polymers has 25 machines, and Willow Polymers in Pune. They are having the biggest machine in India, 3,500 ton from us. Yeah. So many customers.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Okay.